Hi, this is Pete Dashwood at PRIMA Computing, and thank you for visiting our new, improved Wonder Wash type site. The new site obviously has been revamped. It's a combination of what used to be COBOL 21 and the PRIMA site. The COBOL 21 site, the primary purpose of that was really to make a COBOL friendly place where we could give well, actually, we gave a lot of stuff away. There were components there were code samples. We talked about how you could take standard procedural COBOL and turn it into objects. But you had to get into it and you had to download stuff, and there was a fair bit of work involved on your part. I've tried to make that a lot easier now. I've cut through a lot of that stuff. There will be a tutorial, which I'm still in the process of putting together, about Components 101 that will explain more about the conceptual background and the use of Object COBOL. So there's still a COBOL 21 element that will be of interest and of use to people who are dealing with COBOL, and especially those who would like to try and modernize their COBOL skills or lever what they already know into doing more with COBOL. Okay. I know it sounds a bit strange in this day and age to be talking about doing more with COBOL when everybody's trying to do it as little as they can with COBOL, but it's still there's a lot of people out there who have that knowledge and that skill, and it shouldn't be wasted. And there's still a huge amount of COBOL code that is very useful and is doing a useful job. So what we're trying to do at PRIMA is to lever that and bring it into a form where it can work with other languages on a level playing field, which for us is .NET, and you can have COBOL objects being used by other languages. You can have other language objects being used by COBOL, and that just makes everything a lot easier going into the future. So that's really what it's about. The PRIMA side of the or what used to be the old PRIMA site was really developed just to raise the profile of our company and to demonstrate our product range. We have now got more products, and you'll find some new, well, I hope they'll be interesting things that we are actually providing now. We're releasing them, launching them through this site. So there's stuff there that's commercial, and there's stuff there that isn't. And although we're giving a lot of stuff away, I don't want you to think it has no value. Just because something is free doesn't mean that it's not valuable. There's a lot of very valuable information based on years and years and years of experience, where it's sort of like we're saying, well, this has worked for us, so have it, and I hope it works for you. After 40 odd years in this industry, I feel like I want to give something back, and I hope that something is of some use to somebody. So please have a look around, enjoy your stay, and we look forward to seeing you again. Okay, bye bye.